Hello students, today we are going to discuss the globe and the map. You all must be aware that our earth is round. Ferdinand Magellan was the Portuguese explorer who first discovered that earth is round in shape. How? He started sailing the boat and after 3 years he reached at the same place he started. This proves that earth is round in shape. Earth revolves around the sun and slightly flattened at the top and bottom. Let us study about globe. A round model of the earth is called as globe. It gives us the picture like earth. This is the graphical representation of globe. You can easily see countries, continents, oceans and seas on globe. Globe spins on a rod like earth spin on its axis. Axis is an imaginary line passing through the center of earth. Globe is helpful in many ways, but some of its disadvantages are we cannot carry globe from one place to another. We cannot see all the places on globe at the same time. Map. A drawing of earth on a flat surface is called as map. Map gives us more detailed information than a globe. It is also easy to carry and see different places at the same time. Maps are of different types. Let us discuss the same. Basically, maps are of 3 types: physical map, political map and thematic map. Political maps represent the boundaries of countries, states, UTs, capitals and cities, while physical maps show the various features of earth like mountains, oceans, roads, canals, bridges, dams, etc. Thematic maps gives the detailed information of the rainfall, population, etc. There are certain features of map like direction, scale, symbols, etc. This is called as language of a map. Let's discuss each of them in detail. Directions. Directions are the important part of a map. They help in locating places easily. East, west, north and south are the main directions. East, west, north and south are 4 main directions. The top points the north while the bottom is south. East is on the right and west falls on the left. These are the major directions. Scale of a map. A map does not show the actual area of the place. It is smaller than the area. For example, if X and Y are 2 places and distance between them is 100 kilometers, on the map the same distance is taken as 1 centimeters. Let us understand colors and symbol. There are some standard colors and symbol for map. Different colors are used to show different physical features such as rivers, ponds, mountains, desert, etc. on a map. Mountains and highlands are represented in brown and yellow. High mountains are shown in dark brown, lower mountains in light brown and highlands are shown in yellow color. Plains and lowlands are in green. Blue symbolize water bodies. Light blue indicates shallow water and dark blue indicates dark water bodies. Various symbols depict cities, capitals, bridges, roads, railways, etc. The last, legend or a key. Legend or key shows the colors and symbols used in a map. It is usually shown in the box at the corner of a map. That's all students for today's class. We'll meet you all in the next video.